Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk to you about how to make money on Bigo Live. It's very easy. So if you have the Bigo Live application installed on your phone and you have an account on the app and you're wondering how to make money from this app, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make money from the Bigo Live application. So let's get started. You can actually make lots of money from this app depending on the usage. All right, so I'll actually tell you two ways to make money. The first one is from your live streams, while the second one is from your video. All right, your videos posted on the app. All right, so let's see how we can actually make money from our videos. So if you want to know about that, all you have to do is to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you see this creator center. Tap on that. All right, so then you see this option right here. So at the top of your screen, you'll notice three tabs: the live, bar, and agency. So go ahead and tap on bar. All right, so once you tap on that, here you will get this option to post a video and earn money. So you can actually make money by simply posting your videos on Bigo Live. So though the video has to be of high quality, and it will be reviewed by Bigo team to make sure it's of high quality. Okay, so once you get here, you can easily click on post now at the bottom right corner of your screen, or you can click on this post now option just up here around the my videos area. Okay, so and if you look right here, you see by default you're going to earn 0.024 cents from your video. Right, you have to have 100 video views. Okay, so but once you are a creator on Bigo, you can earn up to 0.038 cents if you get 100 video views. All right, so that's actually that for posting a video or videos on Bigo Live. Okay, so let's see another way we can actually earn money from our video. So this is just what you can get by default. Now you can actually get tip from people on Bigo Live, from Bigo Live users. All right, so if you post a video on Bigo, for example, this is a video on Bigo. If you look right here, there's an option to get tip. If you look at the right hand side of your screen, you find this tip option. So if you tap on it, users who post videos on Bigo Live can actually get tip on their video. So these are tips that they can get. So once I select any of these, I can click on send. But before I can be able to receive this, the person has to have owned some diamonds on Bigo. Okay, so that's it. So these are the two ways you can actually make money from your video. One is from views and the other one is from video tips. Okay, so let's look at the other way we can actually make money from Bigo Live, which is by going live on Bigo. So that one, you just have to go live on Bigo, and then once you go live on Bigo, people who are interested in your live stream can choose to send you gifts. So the gifts in return will be converted to beans, and those beans can be withdrawn as money. Okay, so that's it guys. So these are the ways you can actually make money from Bigo Live. All right, so another one is that you can be a host. All right, you can actually be a host for an agency. Okay, and again, if we go to the me, if we go to click on me at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on creator center, If you click on that, you see the option to become a host or apply to become a host. So if I click on the live tab at the top of my screen, all right, you see the option to apply for official host. Okay, so if I click on that option, I'm going to find lots of agencies that I can actually apply to be their host, and if I'm their host, I'll get paid for that. So that's it, guys. So these are actually the 3 ways. So I just added this one. Becoming a host is the 3rd one. All right, so I just added it. So these are the 3 ways you can actually make money. One is from your videos, the other one is from going live on Bigo Live, and finally the 3rd one is becoming an official host for an agency. All right, so guys, hope this video was helpful. You now know how to make money on Bigo. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.